Welcome to a hiker's paradise, man. Sedona, Arizona. This place is crazy. I wish I could go out there, it looks insane. But the hiking trail ends here. Pretty nice views, man. Well, I really couldn't ask for a better place to eat lunch. Beautiful day today, partly cloudy. It was actually raining while the sun was shining just a few minutes ago. And over there is Mount Wilson, or Wilson Mountain. And that ledge is where I was looking from yesterday. We are hiking the A.B. Young Trail. 2,000 feet of elevation gain on this trail. And still got a ways to go. It's about 5 miles round trip. This has got to be the best spot on this trail, I swear. Perfect place to sit on these boulders and just have a little break with an amazing view. Beautiful. Sheesh. This is the Soldier Pass cave. It's pretty cool because you have to like climb up these stairs down there to get up here. This, I don't know, I think this is a dead end over here. But it's cool how far it goes up this crack. It's a nice view. You can see a little bit of the sunset, mostly hidden behind the mountain on that side, but still really cool. Nice and peaceful. Made it to the top, Bear Mountain. Took about 2 hours. Pretty good view. You can basically see everything from up here as far as Sedona is concerned.